Hi guys! Now I know kung bakit sobrang sikat ang niacinamide sa skincare because niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 that is an essential part of nutrient in our body. So it's essential for healthy skin, brain function, and immune system. And the great things about niacinamide is that number one, it's water soluble. So agad-agad siya na-absorb sa skin natin. Second, it's non-acidic and non-irritating. Kaya talagang napaka-gentle nito sa skin natin kahit pa high concentration pa. And number 3 is that this is present in most of the skincare products na ginagamit natin like toner, moisturizer, and serums and mask. And really, niacinamide is one of the favorite ingredients sa skincare. What are the benefits of niacinamide? So the first thing na ginagawa ni niacinamide is pinapaliit niya yung pores natin para hindi agad-agad makapenetrate yung mga pollutants and irritants sa skin natin. Second is that it will brighten your skin tone. Third, it will lighten and brighten your pimple marks. And it's a great support for repair of your skin barrier too. And then it will reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Niacinamide works best with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, peptides, salicylic acid, and azelaic acid. So those are the great benefits of niacinamide. So make it one of your favorite too. So pag maghahanap ka ng mga products na makakatulong sa skin mo, look for niacinamide. So follow us more for more tips and DIY tips.